Welcome to the live stream. Oh boy, that's a shaky voice. Hi. I am gonna be streaming today and working on the game. So, welcome if you're watching. Is it gonna say I'm streaming? Because I just connected YouTube Gaming to Discord, so wondering if it'll say I'm streaming. It does not look like it. That's weird. Privacy and safety. Need to go to my connections. That's right. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna disable that for now. And yeah, YouTube Gaming is connected, but it doesn't say when I'm streaming. That's weird. I'm gonna ask. I'm gonna ask if it says I'm streaming, because it might actually. Having some good pizza. Actually, maybe if I open up Game Maker. Apparently Discord doesn't say I'm streaming. Yeah, I know, once I opened up Game Maker, yeah. There we go. Got some real good Jessica this time. Let me grab the chat, and then I'm gonna start. There. Okay. Okay, so I may have hit the stop streaming button instead of the okay, thank God it didn't actually interrupt my stream. Well, it interrupted it, but it didn't stop it completely. Okay, so YouTube just thought it was a lapse, I guess. Okay. Desktop. Let's go. So I've got 30 bees, and I'm ready to party. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm just trying to cover up the fact that I don't know what to say. Okay, so I've got a couple abilities added for the first character. I've got some stuff in this game. I'm not sure what the next step is right now. Maybe adding actual graphics. Oh yeah, I was working on the GUI last time. That's right. Okay. Anyway. GUI. I was handling it from the DJ object. Draw sprite, sprite volume up, button volume up, 0. UW ports 0 divided by 2, height. And height is equal to... Okay. I think this isn't working for some reason. Sprite height has been assigned to this instance. The height is returned pixels and okay. Okay, so I need to figure out how to read that from a different sprite. Also, I'm gonna let Jay know I'm streaming. Never mind. She might actually be online. Okay. If sprite height does not equal... What am I... I'm just reading an example. Whenever I go back to coding, I just, like, read the first thing that shows up. Oh, that's... Okay, there's gotta be some way to find... Okay. To find the height of any sprite. Sprite properties. Sprites, oh, sprite get height. Okay. Minus, sprite get height, sprite, button volume up. Okay. Divided by 2. Okay, all I need to do now is make the sprite smaller, because that's way too big. And then I need to add a number for the cooldown. Okay. Load sprite. No. Edit sprite, transform, stretch, 25%. That should be good. Quality poor, so it doesn't put any of the stupid extra pixels. Yeah, there we go. Okay. And center it, because I made that mistake last time. Okay, that seems too small. I'll just stretch it again. This time put a positive stretch. Center. That should be alright. Okay, and then I'll put a little number somewhere on there. create font. Numbers. Counter font gets sprite create font create sprite create font sprite. It's some combination of those three words. Font add sprite. Ooh. Okay, so it's tricky. Sprite is SPR font pixel numbers. The first number is 0. And then proportional. I think I just set this to true. Wait, when did I do this before, and in what? Oh, yeah, that's right. I don't actually need that. And then separation is like 2 pixels. Okay. Height. Okay, cooldown counters. And then draw text. Okay. If. What's the ability? What's the. Okay, volume up is ability 2. Global dot abilities 2. Ability dot. Ability dot activation is less than 0. Draw text. Global dot abilities to ability dot activation. So draw the activation divided by the room speed, which should be the number of seconds. Also, it should be the absolute value. Okay. Counter gets... Okay, I should make a counter variable. Our counter. If global dot abilities gets that is less than 0, then counter gets ability dot activation our separation And then I want to make a... I'll deal with that when it comes up, when I actually have to draw the counter. My mind is everywhere, I'm sorry. This is how I code. Counter equals ability dot... What am I doing? Global dot abilities to ability dot activation, and then get the absolute value of that, and then set it to the okay, yeah, the absolute value of that, because it's going to be a negative number. And then set it to a negative... I don't know. What am I talking about? It's absolute value of global dot abilities. And then, yeah, you want to... The string, right? And then divide counter by room speed, so you get the number of seconds left, not the number of steps. And then draw string, draw text, not string. And then, how did I set the... Okay. Height, separation, and counter. I'll just declare them all up here instead of in various places. Maybe I should do X pose and Y pose. Wait, no. This will make it easier to read, though, so I'll just do it. There, just copy that, and then change this to X pose. Change this to Y pose for position. Okay, now that tangent's done, right, separation. It's 10. Draw text. God, there's no good way to set this pizza plate down on my desk. I'm just gonna put it behind me. And we've got water here too. Okay. This is a bad stream. So next I need to draw the text somewhere, and that needs to be to the right of the button. Okay. Expose gets the view W port 0 divided by 2. That in parentheses. Yeah, order of operations is pretty good, but I want to act like it doesn't exist. Width for sub-0 divided by 2. So the width of the port of the window divided by 2 plus the I guess I shouldn't use port, I should use view, but whatever. The port width and the view width are the same for now, but they'll probably be different later. But they might be different later. That's not really an issue, though. I should change it just to be exact. HView, WView. Okay, I need to stop going off on tangents and just focus on what I'm doing. So yeah, I do need to use the view width and height for now, though, because at some point the width of the window might be different from the width of the view in game, and same for the height. So I need to. For now, they're the same, so I'm using them interchangeably, but they might be different at some point, and in this instance, I need to use the view. So the width of the view divided by 2. So the center of the screen plus, yeah, plus will be to the right, plus the width of the sprite. Y separation. Sprite get height, sprite, button. That should not be height, that should be width. There we go. The width of the volume up button plus there. Plus xsep. Okay, so I'm just gonna set xsep and ysep here. It's 5, ysep gets 10. So yeah, xsep is gonna be the separation of the separation between the edge of a button and a number, and ysep is going to be the separation between the bottom of the screen and the button, which I actually do need in multiple cases. Draw text. Let's accept, and then, okay. Ypos equals, so the height of the number is going to be equal to view h view sub 0 minus sprite get height spr button volume up minus ysep. That should be good. And then draw text, xpos, ypos, counter. There we go. So let's see if it crashes the game. It didn't crash the game. Alright. 2, 1. I do want to truncate it, though. Okay, so how do you round it? Round. And round it up or down to the nearest integer. Okay. Da 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 da. I wonder if you can round it to like 1 decimal place. Or like specifically round it up. Let's round counter. There we go. I could do all of this at once, but it would be awful. Okay. I also need to change the X separation. And the font. Draw cooldowns. Okay. Draw set font. Counter font. Okay. That's good. That's all I need to do. And then XSEP needs to be pretty low, I think. Oh wait, the width needs to be divided by 2. Right here. Divided by 2. There we go. That's why the separation was so large. Oh geez. That's a big font. Maybe I can make these smaller. Stretch them down to like 10% of their size. That's weird. Also, why does it show their health as 21 at first? There is a 0. Oh. It's not a... Did I actually add the 0? I didn't. Cancel a file, add from file. There we go. Use new size. And place it left top. Okay. Wait, why is it just black? That's not okay. That's fine, I can just redraw it. Pop open my friend Piskel. So yeah, it was showing weird numbers because I set the first number, I set the first character represented by this font to 0, but I also set the okay, the first character represented by the font, it thinks it's 0, but the first number is actually 1. So it was showing weird numbers. I'm just going to export that. God, what did it do to all these? Here, I'll just delete all these. They were easy to draw. Here, it's 0. Okay. File, add from file. I keep original size. Place it left top. What? Okay, it made it all black again. It shouldn't have done that. See, the issue here is that that's exactly the thing you're not supposed to do. Okay, how many pixels wide is one of these? How many pixels wide is 1 pixel? 3. Okay. Because it's a different size in Game Maker, so gotta make sure everything's good. Wait. Oh, that's why things are showing up weird. It's not to scale. That's bizarre. Oh, when I stretched it down, did I not set it to low quality? Okay. Screw this sprite, we're starting over. Or screw these numbers, we're starting over. Delete. Insert. SPR font. Pixel numbers. Okay. Not gonna actually set it for now. And then I'm gonna redraw it. Here we go. Stretch it out to here. Just in case, still just peeking out right there. And resize to width of 3, height of 5. I think that's right. And we've got 0. I'm gonna go into pictures and go into the pictures for this game and delete the numbers. Delete. There we go. Yeah. Okay. Save as 0. Oh, I already saved all these as Piskel files. Okay. Maybe I should just export them instead of saving them as Piskel files. Nah. 1, 1, 2, and 3. That's good. 3, 4. Wait, no. Okay, I gotta remake 3. Yes, and then 4. Save. 4, save as. Yeah, I gotta hit save as every time, that's why. And save as 5. It's more fun to just draw them all like this. Save it as 6, 7, ah! Maybe I shouldn't have done this. Save as 6. Save as 7. There. That's pushing it. There we go. 7, 8. And 9. There we go. And I'm dumb. I did this again. I did the exact same thing I did last time I did this. Seven, 8, 9. Okay, so now I've got this including 0. Let me save this as numbers.piskel. So now I've got that, and I'm going to export it as a zip. Num download. I can delete the numbers folder. Delete all these. Numbers. Then I can go into my pictures and extract it. Extract all. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna create a new sprite. I already created it. What am I talking about? Edit, file, add from file, all this. There we go. Those are going to be too big though, so I have to stretch it down. High quality maybe? Okay, that's gonna add all the weird pixels. Okay. I'm just gonna go through and clean up all these because I'm way too perfectionistic. Okay. That's 3. Okay. Maybe I need to make that thicker. there. I'll just undo everything I did. It's alright the way it is. Okay, that's 3. Oh yeah, I'm drawing these sort of red bands to make sure everything is 3 pixels wide. Okay, this didn't look too weird on the 2, so I'm gonna do it here also. You thought I was gonna say do it here too. Well, joke's on you. I hate making puns on accident. Okay. Oh, that 6 looks really weird from a distance now. No. Okay. There we go. I know what, I should just set that to the right click so I don't have to keep going over to the palette. Alright, this should be good. There. Oh boy, one with a middle line. It's either gonna look bad or bad. No. Oh well. Like I said, it's gonna look bad or bad. Bad and badder. Wait, there. This is a tricky one. How's it look from a distance? What did I do with the 6, actually? Seems like I did it fine over here. I think I just left it there. Okay. My numbers are fixed. I spent way too long just editing those. So let's see what happens when I actually go in game. Once they spawn, it should say their health in the numbers. That's gonna damage them. Alright. They look okay. Okay, so now I can actually see a cooldown for one of my abilities. Okay, 4 I get 0. I is less than, or I plus plus, I is less than height, array height 2D of global dot abilities. So yeah, I can just make a for loop to do this for, no way, they need to be in different positions for each ability. Also, I can put down speakers. There we go. Okay, I guess the next step would be to do that for all my abilities, but I'm gonna be done for now. I'm not gonna just leave yet, because I want to keep streaming for a little bit, so I'm gonna play a game. So I'm gonna not stop streaming. Did that earlier. Okay, let's see. What game should I play? You know what? I'm gonna play The Floor is Jelly. No, I'm gonna play Ink. It's a good game. Oh. Hearing it already. So this is a game called Ink. And I might actually have this set to record Dust Forest. Nope, it's recording full screen. Okay. So this is a platformer. I'm actually going to go back to the beginning for this, because it's been a while since I started this game. And yeah, it's a game where you're this little block, and you reveal... It's a platformer where you reveal all the platforms by inking them. So yeah. It's cool stuff. It seems like it's the kind of game that would be speedrun a lot, but I'm just going to be playing it. I might speedrun it at some point. I've actually thought about getting into speedrunning, but that's not something I'm going to do right now. Yeah, I know how to double jump. I've been doing it this whole time. Tutorial text 3, wall jump. Why does it say that instead of an actual tutorial? Oh yeah, if you go off the edge of the screen it kills you, so you have to be careful about that. Also, a neat little feature, when you... After you've used up your double jump, you flicker a little bit. I think that's kind of neat. Neat little detail. Yeah, you probably aren't getting how pretty this game is over the... That was Discord. Over the, stream. Because it's really low quality and laggy, but... Ah! Might have been Jay on Discord, I don't know. Whoop. Okay, there are coins hidden around the levels, that's why I'm looking around. Also, when you die, you splash ink, which is kind of nice. But it looks like there are no coins in the first few levels. Okay, I'm just trying to find stuff. There we go. Yeah, speedrunning this game would involve, like, memorizing everything, which is kind of neat. Ah! It would involve memorizing the levels, which would be an interesting challenge for speedrunners. Okay, yeah, a lot of the coins are in pits like that, so that's why I'm looking, but it looks like there are no coins in this level. Who's on Discord? It is not Jay. People are talking about playing games. Not gonna play with them on stream. Because we get a little rowdy. I might play with them later, though. Once everything's done on here. Okay, I don't really know how this looks for the stream, so... Probably really bad. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa! Slipped around a little bit there. I keep looking for the coins, but I don't... I'll just stop thinking about that and enjoy the game. Okay, so there's a platform right here. Okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ah! Trying to die as little as possible, because bragging rights. Not working too well, though. There. Because I'm not good at video games. That's why I do a lot of game development on this stream, on these streams, instead of actually playing games. And then also, those are just basic enemies, and you have to kill all the enemies to get to the end of the level. To open the exit. Yeah. There. Okay. There we go. Also, landing on an enemy doesn't give you an extra jump, which is kind of strange to me. Ugh. Like, if I use my jump, I'm still flickering after I land on the enemy. Maybe I'm just too used to Dust Force. There we go. And you see the rainbow pattern doesn't show up in the exit until after you've killed all the enemies. There. Oh, there was a coin there! Oh no! Oh well. Who's on Discord? My Discord volume is way too loud. I'm probably just gonna turn it down in a minute. Yeah, I'll go turn it down in a minute. Okay. Yeah, the only thing that remains after you die is your ink. Okay. Also, neat little detail, the color of your ink sort of changes as you lay down more ink, and the color of the enemies changes with the color of your ink. So that's neat. I think there's a coin on every level, I'm not sure. Okay. Down here. Okay, yeah, I'm using these little splashes of ink from double jumping to find everything. Here's a coin. Don't know how to get to it, though. There's probably something around here. There. There's the exit. There. Ah! Okay, I can reach it. I can reach it. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Okay. This is a neat game concept. I just love it. Really love this game. Maybe I should stop playing really pretty games on stream, though, because my stream quality is awful, so it doesn't really come through. Okay. Whoa! Almost died there. What's that watery noise? That sort of bubbly noise? It's been here this whole time. Yep. Okay, I'm trying to find... Ah! There we go. Okay. 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 Okay, that's great. I just realized I should probably change my set the game in the description. And actually this... never mind. I was gonna say it doesn't look too bad, but it froze up right as I was watching. Okay. I'm gonna set the game to ink. It's not there. Never mind. Okay. Yeah, ink doesn't even show up on the games. Okay. Just gonna turn down Discord. Okay. There we go. Just do a flying leap over. Discord isn't nearly as loud now, that's good. I think I have myself turned down on stream. Yeah, my volume changes a lot. Sometimes I'm just mumbling and sometimes I'm speaking clearly. So... need to learn to speak more clearly on stream. Make that a habit. There. There we go. I love this game. It's such a nice little sweep across. And yeah, the enemies do leave ink. I wasn't really paying attention to that, but yeah, they do. Oh! Okay. Yeah, this is one of those levels that's mirrored on each side. Whoa, hey. Whoa, hey. Ding, ding, ding. There we go. Slide down here. Reveal this wall, because the revealed stuff is so pretty. Yeah, from what I could tell looking at my stream, it looks decent, but it's freezing up a lot. Probably looks pretty bad when it's a bigger picture, though. So. Hey! I was expecting a wall there. There wasn't a wall there. There. Okay. Yeah, you really get used to... get a sense for, like, where platforms are based on little splashes of ink. And where the enemies are. Apparently one of my friends ate a lemon. That's great for them. Okay. I hope they're doing okay. Ah! Okay, up here. Ah! Okay, how do I get to that coin? Wow. Wasn't expecting to land. Well. There we go, and I landed. Nice. Hey. They're like upside down exclamation points. They're like Spanish exclamation points. They're like the exclamation points on all the signs at Taco Cabana. Whoa, okay, this is the first boss. Yeah. And actually, the first boss is not actually too based on revealing things, but it's still very pretty. And I think it fits in with the game pretty well. There we go. That took me forever to beat the first time, I don't know why. Huh. Okay, I was sort of planning to stop after the first boss. That seems kind of weird, so I'm just gonna... Oh! Yeah, I'm gonna stop. Okay. Had a good time. I'm just gonna quit the game. Oh, there's only 20 coins? Huh. There's only 20 coins in the game. That's reassuring, actually. Because there's not a coin in every level that I keep missing. Because they're really easy to miss. Okay. Exit. Alright. So this was a pretty good stream. I got some progress done on the GUI in the game. And I played some Ink. So, yeah. Thanks for not watching. Yeah, I haven't had anyone watching since I started streaming. So thanks for not watching. And...